cutie, what's up? Welcome to Mass Insanity. Um, Today I'll be talking to you as a friend on friend, how one on one. Oh my god, so much of vehicle noises. I hope the voice is still clear and you can hear my voice still अच्छे से because I'm gonna use my new earpods. Yeah, so in a way we'll also try to review the AirPods कैसे काम कर रहे कि नहीं अच्छे से काम कर रहे कि नहीं if the like मैंने ख़रीदा था ताकि you know वॉइस वगैरह इफ़ एट टाइम्स लाइक अगर मैं माइक्रोफोन यूज़ कर नहीं पाई तो आई कैन यूज़ दिस एज inbuilt mic. So yeah. So everybody, happy Sunday. Hope everything was fine. Right now it's currently 5. As you can see there, 5 baj rahe hai. So yeah, I'm trying to shoot this video. I'm not gonna procrastinate about it because I don't want to. I want to be as regular as possible just to document things, whatever is going on. I just want to look back and feel happy about it. And I want to know, like, when I look back, what I was going through, kind of. Yeah, that's why I am trying to make videos around. That was always the idea of making me, like me posting videos basically. So, yeah. Uh, how have you all been? Whoever is watching, please let me know in the comment section. Like, I really want to know and, make a connection with every viewer out there. And I really want to know, how have you been throughout this weekend? I'm pretty excited because it's a new week and, I get to set again new goals and whatever I want to complete in this week, whatever the targets I can plan. So yeah, when a week starts, it's like a fresh start to me, and I feel good about it. So yep, I'm pretty excited about the new start and all. Yeah, I'm gonna tie my hair meanwhile I talk to you. Okay, today we'll be talking about few of the habits that I have incorporated in my life to ease the life a little bit. Yeah, so I have incorporated basic 3 rules that I swear by currently, and yep, I think this would help you as well. So I would love if you try that out. I'm gonna share. The first thing is, um, yeah, first thing first was I used to drink coffee in the right after I wake up. I used to drink directly. Coffee used to be the first thing that goes into my gut. पहले ऐसा करने से क्या होता है, थोड़ा हाई कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स एकदम पिक हो जाता है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा एनजाइटी वगैरह होता है. एट फर्स्ट मुझे समझ नहीं आता था मुझे क्या हो रहा है, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था. एंड देन इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज्ड, ओ अच्छा ऐसा फील होता है, and yeah, that's what things happen like. Eventually I stopped doing that, and I started to incorporate better things जिसमें मैं body wise अच्छा feel करूँ. And then I started to do that. Yep. So first thing is, always listen to your body. Always listen to what your body is trying to communicate. Don't always just ऐसे ही हो रहा है ठीक हो जाएगा वाला thing, avoid नहीं करना चाहिए. Next thing I would suggest कि एक ये नया चीज़ ऑलवेज सीखना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज गिव टाइम एटलीस्ट. हफ्ते में अगर 20 मिनट करके तो ऐसे नहीं होता है कुछ भी चीज़. यू नो छोटे छोटे टाइमलेस में हम लोग सीखने से अच्छा ही है. बट कभी कभी आई एम काइंड ऑफ ए लर्नर जो मतलब अभी कुछ सीख रहा है तो एट ए स्ट्रेच मैं थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा दे देती हूँ. सो या द सेकेंड थिंग आई हैव इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इज़ दैट लर्निंग अ न्यू थिंग these days. और मैं लास्ट वीक भी थोड़ा बहुत टाइम देने लगी हूँ. अर्लियर इन माई अर्ली आई एम इन माई ऑलमोस्ट आई एम नॉट इन माई अर्ली 20s now. I feel like I am in my late 20s. I feel very old currently. But yeah, back when I was 18, 19, mostly 19, 20, 18, 19, 20 वो एज ग्रुप में जब थी. रॉल्सन पीरियड में मोस्टली जब थी मैं आई यूज टू इन्वेस्ट my time in learning new things. Like I was very interested in editing and stuff. तो मैं time invest करती थी तब तो KineMaster. I don't know if you have heard about KineMaster or not. Yeah, so KineMaster, तब KineMaster बहुत चलता था editing के लिए. तो I used to find it very difficult, so I used to invest time to learn that thing. Yeah. So do that, and I used to do that, so I used to feel very happy about it. Okay, something I have learned. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था वो चीज़. And then I mentally भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था and active feel होता था. And lately मैंने बहुत 21, 22 से I have stopped doing that. It's been years I have stopped doing that, so I feel very, I don't know, I don't have the right word. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब फील कर रही हूँ. I don't know if it's the right word. So yeah, I hope the audio is clear. And yep, even if it's not, I cannot help. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't have a mic even right now that I can resolve this issue. But eventually we'll try to do that. Yeah. Next thing, we are on our third thing that I have incorporated in my daily routine is CCF. एक ड्रिंक है, cumin, coriander, fennel seeds. ये ड्रिंक इतना अमेजिंग ड्रिंक है. I always try to drink it right after the meal. तो उससे थोड़ा गट बेटर फील करता है. इट हेल्प्स इन डाइजेस्टिंग खाना थोड़ा अच्छे से. जल्दी जल्दी वो होता है, ब्लोटेड फील नहीं करते हैं इन द मॉर्निंग. सो पास्ट कुछ सालों से मतलब मुझे पता था बट मैं इतना ज़्यादा कंटिन्यू नहीं कर रही थी. I don't know why. I knew everything, but I was just inconsistent, just like my YouTube videos, posting YouTube videos. Yeah. So I started to incorporate that, and yep, that's that. And the last thing I have started to incorporate in my life is building a very basic minimal skincare routine. तो skincare routine, basic skincare routine एक वो करना is very important. Incorporate करना. तो my skincare routine goes like basic sunscreen एक होता है और एक moisturizer and a cleanser. I use simple वाला simple का cleanser एक आता है normal. I use that and it's been years. And I also have a Dot and Key का Sika वाला cleansing gel. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. It works, but I still prefer simple. And Dot and Key का blue color का एक आता है range, उसका भी cleansers are amazing. Yeah, and the next thing is I use moisturizer कोई भी अच्छा सा एक moisturizer use कर लेना. And then a sunscreen, whatever works for you. Currently I'm using the Wishcare one. I don't know if you have seen the short video that I recently tried to do unboxing thing. Yeah, so I have switched to now Wishcare. And basically ठीक है, but Episoft is best, like 10 on 10 recommend. I would love to recommend everybody क्योंकि it gives a glow, sheer glow, and it's amazing. Or last 5th है मेरा. I try to do 10k steps anyhow. रोज़ तो नहीं हो पाता है, but I try to incorporate that in my routine. Yeah, those are my 5 important नहीं, life saving hacks जो मैंने incorporate किए हैं currently to feel much better and sustain अच्छे से, because I have been dealing a lot of issues currently. मतलब मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रही थी, तो I've started to follow these. I hope this helps you also to incorporate एक अच्छा सा routine बनाने में. I hope it helps you. Alright, I'll see you next. Hope everybody are gonna enjoy your Sunday. And yep, I'll see you next in another video talking about all of building our life to become the best of ourselves. I'll see you next. Take care. Bye bye.